Greetings. I am very happy to show to you a very easy teleprompter setup. The script is being projected on my iPad and I am going to be recording with my smartphone camera. That's all there is to it for a teleprompter setup. Both these devices have been mounted on one tripod. So you might wonder, how is it possible? So basically the tripod is actually holding the phone clamp and my phone has been mounted in the phone clamp. Note that the center lens, that is the lens in the center, is centered, lens is centered over the script here. If you draw a straight line, it's in the center, and the script over here is just at the level, if you just draw a line over here, it just goes to the level of the lens. So if I am reading from a distance of about 10 feet, it will appear as if I am looking into the camera and recording my script. So let me show you how it has been achieved. So the challenge is to mount this iPad just below the camera. For that I am using a clamp called as a mini super clamp. This is a bigger clamp, this is a proper super clamp, but the clamp over here which is mounting the iPod, which is attached to it like that, this central portion holds on and that will clamp on to the central portion of the tripod here. So that is being achieved by this super clamp. Then as the super clamp protrudes forward, there is a iPod holding clamp from Belkin. So this is the Belkin devices clamp. It basically screws on to the 1/4 thread of the super clamp and it is mounted here. Let me show it to you from the side. So this is from the side. So this is the phone here and this is the super clamp over here, and here it is projecting forward just below the camera, and here is the iPod clamp. Everybody has got their smartphone and there is no need to search for anything. You can get a smartphone holder, and so this is how the iPad is clipped. There is a spring over here, so now the iPad is clamped firmly in the iPad clamp. I am using a PromptSmart Pro app which is operated by my voice, but you can use any other app. There are many free apps and paid apps on the market. I will show you the working of the PromptSmart Pro app. So it is operated by voice. So when I press the start button, as I speak, the script will scroll. Just watch. 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation conceived in liberty and the proposition that all men are created equal. Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation or, so you see, so the script advances when I speak and it will stop when I pause. You don't have to get anxious while recording your narration that the script is advancing too fast or it is too slow, and you don't have to take extra pauses when you are speaking. You can speak at your normal pace. So that's the advantage of this particular paid app called PromptSmart Pro. It is available on Android, Apple, as well as for Windows and Mac computers. There is a studio version. I've got all the versions of them and I have found it very useful. I don't use any other app now. So it's easy to set up a teleprompter setup like this. All you need are two devices, a recording device which is a smartphone, everybody has got one, an iPad or a tablet which many people have got. The tablet and that iPad both will you can upload the teleprompter app in both. You can't upload it on a Kindle, but for Kindle there are other teleprompter apps on the Kindle store. I have created more videos on teleprompters. I have recently created a video on how to maintain eye contact during online telemedicine calls and Zoom conferences and Google Meet with a homemade teleprompter made from a CD case. This link is here. I have made 2 do-it-yourself teleprompters. The links are over here. All these videos are available on my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. You can find the link here. If you want to keep abreast of new videos when they are posted, subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the bell icon after subscribing so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Like and share so that the word is spread. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.